Okay, real quick, I promise I'm not going to bore you. This is going to be 2 minutes or shorter. Looking at the market this morning, trying to figure out another point of entry, I thought to myself, you know what? What's happening with the properties over 350? Is there a price point where maybe people cannot get in because they're not able to bid over 350 because of their loan? And they might be able to waive their home inspection, but they're not able to bid over a certain amount. So what's happening between the 350 to the 400 range? Right here, 375. When the homes reach this point, guess what? They're sitting. Days on market, 18, 21, 9. If you're looking at this right here for 375, and it's been sitting, how long? 18 days. We're not offering 375 right now. We're going to come in lower. Okay. But it's been sitting. Nothing wrong with it. It's been renovated. So while other people might be able to waive a home inspection, but maybe they can't offer as much as you can. Well, here you can still have your home inspection, get it done, offer a little less. Maybe we offer 365, 360. But the offer that we made on the last property would be very strong for this one because it's been sitting 21 days. 375, not offering 375 at this point. And the competition is not as fierce because it's still sitting, but these are just as good as any other house that we've seen. Once again, nothing wrong with these homes. The pictures look great, definitely worth seeing. 9 days on the market, $399, offering less. These three were all in Upper Marlboro. We've already visited those areas, so we know that that you like those areas. They are not the corporate townhome feel, but they are more of the open suburban community. Lots of personality. They have the yards. 370. But this is what I'm noticing, that the homes that are in the 370 range, they are sitting. And they are worth going to look at and putting an offer on for less because the competition is not there like it was on the other properties. So I'm going to shoot these properties to you. Take a look. Let me know what you think. And we'll go from there.